How to fix your microphone is not working in Google Chrome. So if you're trying to use your microphone on a particular website and it's not working, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is just make sure that your microphone is already enabled on your computer. So if you come down to the taskbar in the bottom right hand side, you can go and right click on the volume icon and then just press sound settings. You can then scroll down to input, and this is where you need to make sure you have your microphone selected. Now, if you can't see your microphone from the list, you can always go and press add device, and you'll need to go through the steps to add your microphone to your computer. Now, to get this to work in Google Chrome, we can open up our browser and then just head over to the website that you're trying to use your microphone on. Once you're on the specific website, you can click on the icon next to the address bar and then just go and press Site Settings. You could then scroll down to the microphone and click on the drop down arrow and make sure this is set to Allow. Now, once you've done this, come back up to the top and click on the back arrow. Click on the back arrow once again, and then scroll down to microphone and click on this. Now click on the drop down arrow and go and select your microphone from this list of options. Once you have your microphone selected, scroll down to the default behavior and make sure sites can ask to use your microphone is turned on like this. You can then scroll down to custom behaviors, and where it says not allowed to use your microphone, make sure you don't have the website added in this list. And where it says allowed to use your microphone, this is all the websites that currently are allowed to use your microphone. So once you've changed all of these settings, you can head back over to the website and then just click on the reload button to go and reload the page. Now, the next time you try to use your microphone, you'll get a pop-up notification, and if you go and press allow, you'll then be able to use your microphone in Google Chrome.